I would tell them that they need to tell someone that they trust and that they shouldn't be afraid of the bully, because maybe the bully has done something that they're not proud of.
First, I would ask if they're okay, and if they're not, try and comfort them. Then go to the bully and say why you're bullying and try and stop it instead of getting the teachers involved, because the bully might get angry and keep on going and do it to you as well.
If someone was being bullied, I'd ask the victim how he'd be being bullied and try and comfort him and tell him if it's verbal or physical. You tell him to go and tell a teacher, but if it's cyber, I'd say to block it, him or her, and then go and tell someone about it.
What you can also do on apps like Snapchat, Instagram and Twitter and Facebook, there is a button somewhere that says report. You can take photos of what they've been sending to you and send it to the people that made the apps like Snapchat, Instagram and Facebook and Twitter.